Now that you've had a chance to watch Charlie Brooker's mockumentary How to Report the News from BBC4, what we're going to do now is just talk about the basic elements that are required in any news reporting story or presentation. And the basic elements are really four. Four things you need to keep in mind on this unit. The first thing is the age-old tradition of the 5 W's. What, where, when, who, why. After you answer those throughout it, you need to start off your presentation, whether it be written or in that presentation form, with a lead. A couple of sentences that are going to get that reader hooked in right away, or a couple of moments that are in your multimedia presentation that's going to get the audience member to continue to watch. After the lead, the next part is the nut guff. And the nut guff is a journalistic slang term that's basically used to describe the part of the presentation or written news report where you summarize the story. You're able to establish what the actual point and the purpose of that story is. And then finally, the last thing, which is of vital importance, is the element of style and perspective within your piece. Every piece is going to have some perspective and point of view in it, and it's important to be able to assess and critically examine whether or not there's one that's more dominant than the other. As well, whenever you put anything together, whether it be a written piece or a presentation piece, there's going to be a certain aspect of your own personal style and structure that's going to come through that. And that style can either support the piece you're working on or detract from it. It's important to be able to critically assess that as well.